Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about nesting if statement. Here you can see in the last tutorial, we made a very simple program to test the user's age. We'll add them to input some number which was their age, and if it was 18 or above, you may enter this website. If not, then we said you cannot enter this website. Now I want to add on this, if they allowed to enter the website, they must get a welcome message based on their gender. So of course we need a variable for gender. And we also need a place for input. So printf what is your gender, we'll give them option here. So m/n. Scanf we used characters, so %c comma ampersand gender. Now one thing I want to point out, it's a good practice. You must have to give a space between double inverted quotations and the % sign, so that you don't get an error. Some compilers may have this issue, but not in code blocks. So let me move forward and now we are going to put an if statement here, and two parentheses, it says gender is equal to single inverted quotation, because we used %c or we use character for gender. So here I am putting m for male and curly brackets, printf so basically if we run this, it will print you may enter this website space so. Now for female, if gender is equal to single inverted quotation, then f. Curly brackets, printf, and if we put f, it will say ma'am. Now we run this. So it's gonna ask how old are you. I'll put 25. Enter. What is your gender? I'll put male, m. Then enter. You may enter this website so. Now for female, I'll just put 21. What is your gender? So something went wrong here. I'll just change this. We have to put F here. So how old are you? 21. What is your gender? F for female. You may enter this website, ma'am. So that's how we use nested if statement. I hope you understand how to make decisions using nested if statement. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and do subscribe my channel.